If you are here in this country and you're not documented, you have the same rights in terms of bringing a lawsuit as anybody else. The one area where this garners the most interest, or that people tend to focus on when it comes to undocumented aliens, is the area of lost earnings. Let me tell you why that is. If there is a case where one of the claims being made by the plaintiff is that the injuries they suffered caused them to be unable to work for a period of time, let's say a period of time up to the time of the trial and even beyond. Okay, so the claim is being made that there's a past lost earnings and future lost earnings. So what defendants try to claim as it relates to undocumented aliens, they tried to claim that since they're undocumented and they don't technically have the right to work here, they should not be allowed to collect lost earnings. That is something that was litigated for a long time before we had a definite answer. There was a split in the courts. Certain courts held one way, certain courts held another way, and for a long time the answer to that question was unsettled as to whether or not they could collect. But a number of years ago, the Court of Appeals finally ruled on that, and they said absolutely that undocumented aliens absolutely can collect both past and future lost earnings, just like anybody else. Now, I will say there are some caveats to that, particularly as it relates to how it is that they obtain their employment. What I mean is, if it can be shown that the undocumented alien used some type of fraud in obtaining their employment, like, for example, if they lied about their status, if they provided a false social security number, if that can be demonstrated, then the defendant has an opportunity to argue that they shouldn't be able to collect future lost earnings. But if as in most cases, the worker was simply never asked about their status or was never asked to provide a social security number, and most of the time that's what happens, then absolutely they have the same rights as anybody else to bring a lawsuit, and they have the same right to collect every other category of damages just like anybody else, including lost earnings.